Welcome to Blickel, and we are extremely excited that you are here, and we're excited for you to use all of the features that Blickel has to share your content with the world. In this brief course, we're going to learn how to use all of the different tools and features of Blickel. After your account has been created, when you log in, you're going to be brought to the dashboard page. You can reach pretty much any page of Blickel from the dashboard page, and if you don't know how to get back, you can always come back to the dashboard by clicking this dashboard button at the top of your menu. Every single person who joins Blickel becomes a part of Blickel community, and it's important to understand that in Blickel, you can belong to multiple organizations at the same time. All of your organizations that you belong to can be found in this drop-down menu on the left, and it will always tell you which one you are currently logged into. It's important to understand that there are different privileges that you might have in each community, and so the buttons and menus that appear will change depending on what privileges you have. For example, you can see that in Blickel community, I am a content creator. That means I can create content and edit content, but I can't manage the organization and I can't look at analytics or create members or things like that. On the other hand, check out River Science. Within River Science, you can see that I'm an executive. Notice that the logo has changed to show that I am in River Science. And you can see that because I'm an executive, I have the ability to look at analytics for the community as well as manage members. Here's a third example. Here you can see that for my work, I have employee trainings that I have to complete. When I click on this menu, you see that I have very little that I can do. I don't have the ability to create content or edit content or look at analytics. All of your students who come into your organization will have menus that look like this. They'll have limited access, but they will be able to complete your content. We will learn in the future that if you want to, you have the ability to change somebody's permissions, and in a future lesson, we'll look at how to do that.